Start.
Okay, okay. So, myself Subigya Pokharel, and basically what I have like started to learn is I started to learn C sharp. So because I got tired of Laravel and PHP, and I didn't find any much like job opportunities. So decided to switch. So I decided to switch into C sharp, and then I'm still at the beginning phase, just like Pukaroja. Pukaroja is also at the beginning phase, so am I. So I don't have much to speak. Nonetheless, C sharp is like it's quite unique from other languages, guys. Because okay, let me share the screen. Okay, it's quite complex, I would say. Not complex too, because like it's pretty hard to configure in the BS code. Like there is another application called BS code only, and then we normally use write. Sorry. There is like a large scale application called Visual Studio, right? And Visual Studio is used for like complex projects. So if you want to be like develop mobile applications or like complex like complex websites, like Visual Studio is the software you intend to run your code on, because it like provides of like fully fledged functionalities. So Visual Studio Code is just a lightweight version of VS Code. So getting back into C Sharp, like can you see my screen, guys?
Yes, dude. Yes, we can.
Okay, dude. Okay. So getting back into C Sharp, as I was saying, that it's a pretty unique language, because because it's made by Microsoft. It's not unique because it's made by Microsoft, because of the way we write our code. So just even for printing hello world, we write this line of code. So it's not like Python, like where we just like write print hello world. So it's pretty complex. We have to write this line of code just to print hello world. You know, and even like in some cases, even writing only this, even just to print hello world doesn't work. So we have to write this shit as well, using system namespace to rub C sharp blah 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 just to print hello world. So I would say it's a
So
pretty.
you have to write class as well.
Yeah, dude. Like if your code like doesn't run just by writing this much, you know, like you have to write all of this shit, this whole
Okay.
thing, just to print the hello world. But usually,
Okay.
like what usually the code runs, you write like this much the code runs. So it's like to run your C sharp application in your VS code, right? You have to install this .NET. Like only installing will not do, like, because you have to configure as well. You like you have to like put all the things in the same folder, same directory, whatever it is. So yeah, it's pretty like it will take a lot of time in configuring, but yeah, getting started is a little bit hard. You said it right. Uh, there is a you have to go to I guess .NET. Wait, show you. I want to show you. C sharp. Bro, this is taking way too much time. So no, I will not show. I will not show. I'll just tell you, like you have to install a thing called .NET.SDK, and then you have to install it from your website, you know, and then like .NET.SDK, and then go to the VS Code terminal, right? And then again install it, like again type .NET install .NET SDK or something like that, and then finally it will get installed. Okay, yeah, yeah. So that's the thing. And C Sharp is nothing much, dude. Like it's a compiling language. Compiling language meaning like the source code like will be converted into an executable file with the extension .exe, and then it will run. So if you just go into the documentation, like like this sheet is like pretty hard. Okay, okay, let's not like let's yeah, yeah. Oh, very good question. You can actually do if you want to go into like web dev, web development. You can do using the .NET framework, right? .NET is a framework using the ASP.NET. Inside the .NET framework, there is ASP.NET, right? And then that ASP.NET is used for like your backend, the thing which is so doing PHP, and that can be done using the .NET ASP.NET framework. So talking so the Microsoft have updated, and then you can do even front end using C Sharp. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, that's good, right? So there is a framework for like front end is it was like yeah, yeah, yeah. Like front end framework for web development. There is a like newly introduced framework called Blazor. Blazor. So what is the yeah, yeah, okay, yeah, yeah. It's I think recently introduced if I'm not wrong. So it's a framework, right? Like where we can write interactive UI in C Sharp instead of JavaScript. So basically we use JavaScript, right? For front end. For front end, like we use HTML, CSS, and JS. But if you want to like work on the C Sharp framework, then there is a framework called Blazor. So C Sharp is like not only used for backend guys. I think we have like heard about C Sharp in the backend industry, right? So but now it's like jumping in the front end industry as well. And talking about other applications, we can build desktop apps as well. Yeah, 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 yeah. And talking about mobile apps, we can develop mobile apps as well, guys. For your information. Oh yeah, yeah, you know that. Very good. Oh, oh, okay. So you had already heard about it. Oh, yes, yes, yes. You are absolutely on the spot. So I think you guys have heard about Unity, right, for game development. So CSAT, so Unity is made by Unity is I think it's a software program. So it is written in C Sharp. You know. So you didn't know. Okay, okay, okay. So now you know. So if you want to like go in game development, which is very less likely, you can we can go into the game development as well using C Sharp. So that's the application of C Sharp. So that's the only thing I know, guys, for now. But talking about my future plan, what my future plan is the same project which you showing me, right? This Liverpool project. I'm planning to do that on C Sharp as well. Yeah, dude. No, no, no. I'm not planning that. I'm not planning that. I will use. I will learn about JavaScript for front end. I will not rely on this Blazor framework of C Sharp for the front end. Oh, I cannot tell you that because I don't know. Okay, dude. Very good question, dude. I'm very thank you for your question because I will look for it now. So yeah, yeah. That's it, guys. That's it from my part as well. So yeah.
No, no, no. I don't have any questions.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
You are welcome, bro.
Dude, don't say it like that. I'm just like you. You know, I don't like. I'm planning, like the same way you are planning for data science as well. I'm planning on the same way. But if I but I think I will learn Laravel as well. You know, after making some after getting yeah, yeah, go on. No, no, after getting familiar with C Sharp. Yeah, yeah, dude. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, very good. Yeah, yeah. We will see, dude. We will see. We will see, bro. So that's it from my part. As I said, I have just started and I don't know much right now. Yeah, dude. Only this much, dude. Bro, you learned many things, but that's it, guys. Subscribe, subscribe. Yeah, dude. Yeah. So thank you.
Nothing, bro. Like, please upload it.